Malaga changder chai nyor kedung dit media an wale yom lat ke changa badaga pai bakel karon kimi dangraw uri jandangraw uri diech baga yenong lar tin la nung yen chang kedung dit media katin tuok ke Junub Sudan an wala baga roi kare yoga teji tuok ni ke changa ngwan changa diech changa bakel changa baraw amane changa badaga an wale ka pai bakel ka kantin baga nung ye alab deni tin chara lat ko wala yat kentin lar grodien ka jub men lago na ga yeni chang yen ne di la leng ko e o michiran jo mi chene me jak e share ka bi like ko bane ni wan kula shop ka ba pejeme be kula kamnial mo ray kon jo de wala cher men chaga lar ye ko ka update ni ke ti chir lar kare joga te ga tin wan ti ba ko nungi Lord Palpino Gua ko beginning. Manyam a General Matthew Puljang top, a commander of Division 4, SPDF, which are deployed to Unity State. Division 4 to Unity State, kujo command Matthew Puljang. Ko kor gwa da ne shiro da bentuk. Enu woje te ko kor kam buli ka jigo real jang warap chitension chato kam General Puljang kane kume walaya ka kel ke kume te jubu tension mo to ko ne General Puljang bel kume kata e cha bong bul karanel chato ko General Puljang bel kume kata la o kendin cha pe ke jang la ga ben loy ga jok kume ko kendin cha pe jang cha ga lo jok ka jang kume raj mi cheje no yoro lat ko kor pon dangra wuto pai woti man me ci General ta ban de ngai cho ga bentiu ci Puljang ta de wuje ga gan ta ban me go ta ban che lok me ta ban lo ga jubu mo cho to ko ne che te ga chen mi cha lat ka bil pam gar ga Puljang ga bentiu na ga jaga bil pam ye gwar mo ga dien macha kamen communication mo en wo ramde je ndere wo jube karo na an channeling ke man kwara nung ye dung din media e wo General Puljang che wo jube chelok ri asaj men dan chalat ko ndere wo jube de radien ndere nung ko Division 4 ko Unity State no chelogo mi nyudo ne security ko Unity State bakan chala stable ke ngwa de bibene ko General Puljang ngai kon background General Puljang ko te ke guwede mi chala ter chuong mi jal ga jale mi te ko maike mi cha equip plus chap ala chabul so de ko laren wo gu mana te ke Unity State min kwala chora Division 4 is comprised of ditch ala ditch Puljang ala maliciat ke te organize so mulunu mission keno be kumna nante ko Unity State be threaten ka be gu malagu kume men la roda ko ne isagero lat Puljang be threat ko Unity State so no mane gor bane lengler rajmi cheje no sabta lat ke wajarol Puljang e wogo jubal lok bad me jari assign ka jub mera ude SPLM-IO members, la membership of SPLM-IO may chidot revitalize transitional government of national unity. Nay te kondi idot kujube, but may chairman Dr. Yegmachar may Laskawas arrest, but may deputy chairman Kanatha members of the party may chigi and kujube, Manu Secretary General may chiga warar. Nay te kondi idot Kel Kume, they was in dilemma. The Tankian Lara and Aremachar, Tankian they declare officially to Parkul based on the projection Nanachala the Kume Kel Parkul. Yachupku recently Kachang Bakel Kan Paime, La Pai Bakel, Jatag information large and Giai Udial, Tintego Kume, chaga requested ko either join parkul kebran balada belus. So yeah, be parkul la farm African SPLM IO hero declare men taka ka por jakel kan kume ya be join belaran parkul guadu be kul secure, otherwise you lose your job. So right mo jaro nan sure lat jataka circular jaro to ko wala ideal, and we can take example of Jonglei State. Jonglei State and we have ministers, takon commissioner, takon ke MPs, member of parliament, tito just PLMIO. We can take few example. Takon ke speaker of the parliament, ke state, honorable Amer Ateng, and as PLMIO. Takon ke honorable Simon Wasdul, Minister of Local Government and Law Enforcement, Kawalai, Ranas Pelamayu. Takon ke honorable Mawit Makwach, Minister of Road and Bridge, Ranas Pelamayu, Jonglei State. Takon ke honorable Kolchul, Minister of Minister of Gender, Child and Sexual Welfare, State, Rana. So plus commissioners, countries, plus commissioners, state government. So NATO, and they are affected by this circular, so now they can either choose come parkul, can go balat kien con, tintagatin, bakalus. So right here, we can take it back to take on the channel at the core Ninitejua, but situation in the road as Pelamayu Jonglei State. Can in the Paiwati, that a commissioner make controversial, Micha Kwan Kubu, me Choro there and as Pelamayu nominated by community Labogni, to politicize a governor of Jonglei State, Jakube, Ranas Pelamayu, community of Akubu, a can you corner Omachar, Chima take a pigeon, chicken parkul. And now Commissioner Medan Menangyaka Akubu, Nanga ministers, can other government official, Jonglei State, Titonjinayu, continue work Akubu. So Michigan win more and damage in circular mochakajak, Muno the one and either join parkul, Taya lat, Kia ballet, Ken Bakalus. But the status of Commissioner Kakubu, Pongotega Bakam. Kodi, Commissioner can the community into Winnie. Commissioner Aranaigo, because of foreign Omachar, and that was the reason we quite accept a community of Akubu. Now, Miranaigo, Mimoran Parkul, it is unlikely to be accepted in Jacob. So it's up to Commissioner now to decide, apart from State SPLMIO Secretariat, they will choose the latter. Because of threat, because of Wudongo and over be maintained. So Rajushi Genamo, Jen Larode, Chakwa question keke, as individual to Konde Jakwen, who now they are in Bur, and the circular got them here in Bur, Menu one and they can decide. Rana choose Kabalio kind of position. Plus, there is a security threat. Ko now Mulare Omachar, Katibor, you will not believe free. We are not free, Kodongaralaji and Bogwan Danangore. For that reason, Bago Koko, all of them, Bigalane Parkul. Rani Genamo, Agentana La Rodabo, Manini Jube, Manini MP, Manother state, take a native Kokian Ticharo in Declarebo. I don't know about Unity State, but I heard about Upper Nile. ko te ga nei ti che group tet plus nei ko ken ara declare ko ji la ne par. So we will see that development, but is tricky. Goro bane monitor go ko bane ne kon ti lot je o revolutionaries bana ga ngach radian kane kon to position now ka government of South Sudan. No, jarwan kiro lat ke which SPLM my official tin chairman ka transitional government of national unity. Melodian assignment, there is a new assignment ka SPLA IO la military wing. Cha deputy commander in chief for administration cha kwany Ramkel mo commander ka Panjjar county ka SPLM IO mutually cultural take experience mugo take background mugo che korun wan yaga ter ka Ramkel mi respective commander ka Panjjar mulotke anyong dial go en position ya kame ramugo story de bi jagan new appointed commander ka SPLM IO story de bi jaka other social media development of SPLM IO, and we heard about SPLM IO is conducting fundraising. Take a fundraising road around the globe. Chermi talk USA, America, they are mobilizing our people there. They take a resource to demobilize. So of course we know and it was Mlatke this time go to yo. Yo airport of everybody. Kon ideal in la rock or revolutionaries. Mitigo you contribute. So your contribution then we are talking America, all of us can take other location, but the same establishment, but who we can contribute. But long corner, but gather, but long about revolution. No information in an empire no kadung mobilization of PAN. Information that then Pangak korang woda miwego, and we know kumala kume as PDF take power a year winimi babur ken jal a year kane kon take a shortage of some equipment needed for that particular fighting. Kono chigi yen tiang mira chigi waga deal cha deal cha odwaj majakan cha odwaj maya long cha na cha ke pushback re rag kina wara ching mulunu me chigi thok thin cha rek cha do bakan cha nyokaret ping chigi luñ ka new fan gak ka pom. So in situation mi je no la ro pan gak about bombardment can con major store ni ling along ni ta jiro lat ko kon nda re tu jo ko boga re ni al reching wa don kon ti na putin chere melar kon ko ne kon ka pan gak they are still in their position chai ba kwet we year wa don kon ya jo babur to nothing ko no development ke big George, and we are confident ne kon they will maintain their position bada wona ko gwata de be big taka for end ba kwidian ba la reken ba sheng bagam no mele ro ko fan gap chana galing bo monu ne chi new commissioner cho pat ka coordination office ka jonglei ente ko jube niam governor chana wa jo the kan no governor was resisting. He was trying and one and that situation me lat ka kobu that community that manipulate through commissioner chawa onaje then chawa tiam ko jub ko commissioner no call guy no ge purposely ko Ramkel mo commander ka SPLM IG mi stand supporter ko defector from SPLM IO so no chigarga jo paltin chipanajen. So we are waiting for Robo Kulishop Kapanga in a Kadobandian. Tarogatin Latkani quick pangak. Melodian intercommunal fighting, Kajongle state. Take a core me long come to is Canadu country. kormo we kam dore che gar twitch ten ta twitch tin kana tugdu likien plus gare duk ta nyar weng ta tin ta all te tin so kormo to ro kam all can certain section ka twitch che ni ne yir che ne wan ja kana yir wudmi ta me che spillover che barar duob la duob jonglei la duob lo ka kam de wona ga wor ban ka ban bor now cha insecure kormo yin cha lo cha gen bol cha ta ga lo ti cha nak ti wona ga bangwan ka ne cha moy bot ka ne ti bat ti cha kwat ken ngai an kam mo ka bo ga yire ka bo ga so in situation yen le ro ga jonglei ko kormo ja tin and we don't know what will be the development ko lo da mangwan cha nak to in free tag of one and take a community law take a group no law ti wa they are part of all community can con target court quality tree so no unverify kan lo de jok but chalo cha in ball tree so in situation yen ja tin ka jong lei is volatile ban tan tin addition to malaro ga pangak ban ling mendo dien another situation kanater ngode te gwamike tane lingenu ke that 5 of June la pa me de continue kume cheon la SPDF de regien de wo maker de wo jingmir gwada to addition to we are adu akan gwadun content to elevated the spot tin bro lor ga chang kan to me ko mo ni alwa dam ko bi year barar other location bi kala piu baga samai ka wata so kwa gwadro lo go dong de kan go fai then the rokule set up wo da ga to one chawa kan ka ro long cha go ju ga maker ka cha ga ju ga jing mir cha ga ben ju bo ka ba lok ala location na to wi year ka buru bi ku year mo kula land of South Sudan cha la ba lok cha ga nyo ga joitin cha ga joy ka kanater so plus desert sinana la road ka gada dien ko tene one ti cha goro ba mial ba tot ba libe kan kanater the deserting wakawa so another speed up take a vulnerable position that we appreciate our people go that are around ba situation by exploit again wanga you it is enough dong de kin korean there mele rode no makana ter we know about ulang ja gwa mi ke te lokum mi mtatin ko ne commissioner ja pon la ni albatang kan ne chop ko ulang te kana ter kel kan garbo jo la commissioner bata nater chang ne ga daga so nater ngore te ne ne kon ne ga ta dan ne cha ba ni pin kum toro kete kon la rode ga nater mendo dien tony is kana tony sauce do daro to cha for the side to lo yang tin kana another clan la chimana kol kur nyinge so ne re nyinge kur mi chidit ko taban da equipment ta ga PK ni ta ga refugees ni ta klein one te ni ken kanal chikarodian was my chikarodian nak ne to one jan bakal chaganak ka ne to one got 60,000 chaga displace so jene ko kon la ngayo ne chirina legian chawa bok warap we bok ne these two section ala toin source kana toin is so en koromo ja tin ko escalate te one ti chobe chaga in ball mana speed up element te chuo de na wori je kan chiga in ball core so rajmi shi jen mo agenta la rodo ko tun plus ta nan in la rode ka panijar county kam de kene Lake State jata ko kor mi yin ke det 7 ka tiang te ke anun group mi shi jen mi shi waka kayirul ja kor mo jeter development ka bo mo da to kon goro dien bane ngai ku ne ngule rode winimo ka chup ka level dien So taro ko tilor ko na ka walayat cherko kore tin chara lat ka korin nangwan eti. Wo kor wo Juba situation in Juba is still very tense. A very ten ko chermal alat kon nichang situation in thin a transitional situation. Ti angkuar nan ta President Salva Kiir kan gaje kam gaje bolmel. Kul tena process of how they will give it to Bolmel. General Roy Conjor and Chiang we question the process to by use of Bolmel ko Bala president of South Sudan after Salva Kiir. That allow coup, that allow this announcement, that allow resignation by president dong the party last PLM IG de Kule as alright to bring up a president that will result in nomination of Bullmel, plus many other questions. Today, a legal question, a political question, till I think about Ben Bullmel, Ben Daniel. So, as we know, again, the only step that remains, ngay kon SPLM IG che paralyze, che jiga dial kon the thin jiga ditke, kanen kon tende take a question about the legitimacy of succession. Chaka threat Ugandan security can arm force. So and me guru later contingent resistant dole ke tele counter plan for Ugandan. Kono chikabit. Now the question jataka as PDF la security organ la force. Lincoln and Chang and there is a tension ka tiger come the can group and allies to Bolmel. They are not satisfied with the process of transition. Lincoln of national security is fragmented. Take a command can go little it's not that strong as tied and take under Akol. Plus star dejament of DNK infantry. Ngay kon infantry ka SPDF chala tribal cha riude cha ja ka maliciat cha tel power me take resistant gwamni ye gwada kon cha deployed so continue to row ka kan kon de rajode and we still follow up all the situation and we call it a day. Thank you.